Imagine walking down a crowded street, the chaotic noise of city traffic completely erased from your mind. Suddenly, you raise your hand, wave a finger in midair without touching your ears, and your music tracks instantly skip. You glance around. Nobody noticed. But inside your ears, a piece of technology just did something that was considered flat-out impossible just 12 months ago. For years, we thought wireless earbuds had reached their absolute peak. We assumed that minor updates to battery life and slightly better plastic tips were all the tech giants had left in the tank. We were completely wrong. Right now, behind the heavily fortified glass doors of Apple Park, a massive shift is happening. An engineering project so secretive and radical that it is about to change how we interact with the digital world forever. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. This is the truth about the upcoming AirPods Pro 4, and the disturbing reason why Apple is risking everything to turn your next pair of earbuds into a literal wearable computer. To truly understand why the AirPods Pro 4 is causing massive panic among audio competitors worldwide, we have to look at a bizarre supply chain leak that surfaced recently. A leak that left top tech analysts completely baffled. Reports from inner circles revealed that Apple ordered millions of highly specialized, miniature infrared camera modules. At first, everyone thought it was a mistake. Why on earth would wireless earbuds need cameras? Think about it. Earbuds go inside your ears. They point at your head or out into the empty air. A traditional camera would just record a blurry, useless view of the sidewalk. But these are not traditional cameras. Apple is implementing ultra-compact infrared sensors tucked directly into the bottom stems of the AirPods Pro 4. This single piece of hardware changes everything. By placing infrared eyes on your ears, Apple is preparing to launch a completely touchless, gesture-driven user interface. Instead of fumbling around for a tiny pressure sensor on the stem while running, or awkwardly shouting at a voice assistant in a quiet coffee shop, the AirPods Pro 4 will actively track the micro-movements of your hands right in front of your face. A simple pinch of your fingers in mid-air could answer a phone call. A subtle wave could raise the volume. It sounds like pure science fiction, but the underlying engineering is already fully operational in testing phases. Apple is quietly transforming the humble earbud from a passive audio speaker into an active spatial computing device. But the integration of cameras introduces a massive, complex problem that Apple engineers have been pulling their hair out over for months. Processing real-time visual data requires an insane amount of computational power. If you try to run complex hand-tracking algorithms on the current generation audio chips, two things happen immediately. Your earbuds overheat within minutes, and your battery dies before you finish a single playlist. This brings us to the beating heart of the AirPods Pro 4. The hidden masterpiece that makes the entire system possible. The all-new H3 silicon chip. For the past few years, the audio industry has relied on standard processing architectures that slowly filter sound waves. The H3 chip completely tears up that old blueprint. Built on an ultra-efficient next-generation architecture, this chip is designed specifically to handle multi-layered computing. It features dedicated neural engine cores optimized entirely for on-device artificial intelligence. The H3 chip doesn't just process the music you are listening to. It simultaneously processes the environment